The 2025 Kia EV6 GT is an updated electric vehicle that emphasizes performance, featuring a powerful 576 HP engine. Its pricing is expected to range from around $44,000 to $63,000, depending on the trim and options. Additionally, it offers capabilities like charging other electric items through a 230-240V AC outlet at 3.6 kW of power, available on GT line grades. Be sure to verify any specific details or features with the official Kia website or dealership.